Hey, welcome everybody. Wanted to go over a quick video with you. Let's take a look at this risk disclosure real quick, just for a compliance purpose. There it is. Remember, trading involves risk of loss, and this is a video presentation put together for your benefit of education only. All right, so here's a couple things. I want to get right into this trade. This is one that occurred today. Not a big deal, but it is a nice trade nonetheless, and it had a set of rules and it had a lot of good things going for it. It had some nice little convergence of the volume here action, and you'll notice it's even described what it is. It's PPS buy signal. Look at that gray line. That is a last conditional change, right? So the market breaks out above resistance and triggers along. It has a profit target and it has a trailing stop function, which gets tagged. So the market's gone up since, and again, it's late in the afternoon. It won't take, this is the algo optimizer, which won't take any more trades. But here's the beauty of this trade. I want to share this with you right now. So I brought into focus our investors mentoring. You'll notice here it says a total of 9 videos. Well, that particular setup that happened on an algo system criteria is covered. The dynamics of that strategy is covered in the video components of what I want everyone to study before coming to the summer school mentoring class. That's the important thing, and this is where you get it. You go to the home page. You go to personsplanet.com, then you would click on the members section, and then you go into our courses where you would be assigned a login, and you'll have access to all the videos. And there they are, each one of these videos. And these are the videos I want everyone to study, these different components of the 3-day seminar, and you get a better feel of what we need to do. And then when you have that information as a review, and that's what I really wanted everyone to do. I wanted you guys to review the technicals so that we go back to summer school, back to basics, focus on when we get the markets functioning with lots of volatility again. Because since that monthly unemployment report came out, we have seen the markets, except for earnings and a few earning surprises, for the most part, we haven't seen a lot of really strong action one way or another in most of the markets. The bonds are up a little bit, of course, and gold's still fluttering. That was a gold trade right there as a day trade. But needless to say, I want everyone, when we get back, you got to imagine what we're going to do with September, October, November, and December. Fed meetings, elections. There's a lot here for everyone. We need to study up on it. But if you're struggling with what we were discussing in the last couple days, and again, most everything that we've discussed comes out of these 2 books right here. That's where it all started. Planning trades, learning that self-confidence. How do we get that self-confidence back? What is your trading plan, right? These are the things that we need to do to take action on the trades. You're going to know that information. You know where to get it in the videos. You'll have access to those videos. Those are 9 impressive, just amazing videos on market analytics and trade setups. And again, folks, that trade setup that's in the video right there, that trade setup occurred in gold today, but the difference is this was programmed. Just to let you know, this is Algo 16. Go to format, programmed for gold. So this was we're taking bullish patterns and PPS buy signals, okay? So again, this is a way, the only difference was the execution. It has a different component to it instead of a market order, different component. It has your risk factor and a profit factor, and instead of getting out at an intended profit factor of everything, this particular algo optimizer gets out of half and then trails the stop. So if gold just kept going, it would have just trailed the stop on a runaway breakout market. As it is, it didn't run away, it didn't break out, but it, as you can see, made money and a nice trade. It gave pretty much the bulk of the trend of the day. I mean, that was it. From about 11 o'clock in the morning till about 1 in the afternoon. That was the biggest, consecutive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bar rally we'd ever seen, except for in 2 in the morning when we're not trading. Anyway, I wanted everyone to understand that this particular session is to help those who may remember the information. Maybe things changed, or you've left the market, you're coming back. This is what you're refreshing: the trade, the information, and then what we're going to work on is how to overcome and get yourself in the best emotional and mental, physically fit state of mind, and that you can apply these principles and take trades like that so you don't hesitate. That's the whole nature of what we were talking about in our summer school. We gave the last video on certain things to do if you feel nervous, certain things to start taking personal action on, goal setting, what to do, when to set them, and what to do to once you achieve those, right? And then what to do when you don't achieve them. There's always consequences we need to take. We need to make sure we reinforce positive change in our life, and we need to make sure we take consequences when we don't make those changes, and to how we're going to better ourselves. That's what the next 2 sessions are about: reviewing the trading information, going over specific setups that we've been discussing that are in the DVD video set that you have access to, all 9 of them, right? And then on top of that, we're going to spend time on exercises, actionable events that you're going to do in your life to make yourself a more physically, mentally, and emotionally fit trader. That is our goal for this session in the summer school John Person event. So I hope you found interest in just that little trade setup. Where can you find that trade setup that was taken today? Right in the videos. And so therefore it's a great way to review. Thanks everybody, and I look forward to seeing you in class. For more information, if you haven't signed up, personsplanet.com/summer school. Sign up immediately. Class is filling up. We've had really great, exceptional, lot of repeat clients going in for a refresher, which is what this is designed, as well as a lot of new students who have not really introduced themselves to my work. This is a great opportunity just to get off the floor and running right away. Look forward to you in class. Thank you.